I am Venerable Chijioke Onyechi. I studied measurement and evaluation in the University of Nigeria. Later on, by 1982, I came back to lecture in the university, and I was posted to the Department of Adult Education, where later on in the 90s I became the head of department. But I retired some 5 years ago from the university. But while I was studying evaluation in the university, I got this calling to help priests. I bring them into the university, help pay their fees so that they can be very useful. But later on, I myself was called into it. So I became a priest in 1996. And just December last year, I retired as a priest of the Anglican Church. And here am I now. Well, I have done what God asked me to do, and I'm waiting for what next He will want me to do for Him.